Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
GIDC ची वेबसाइट आणि लोगो डिझाइन करपा खातीर कोट्यांनी रुपया मोडिल्ल्याचो आम आदमी पार्टीन आरोप केल्लो. हे फाटभुंयेर मंत्री मॉविन उलयलो. उद्देग मंत्री मॉविनान आम आदमी पार्टीन केल्लो आरोप भायर आयत खर्चाचें वर्गीकरण करून खर्च कसो आनी कित्या खातीर केल्लो ताचेर स्पश्टीकरण दिलें. आयकात मॉविनाचें म्हणणें.
has come up the logo that GIDC has paid for one logo 25 lakhs, and it is not merely a logo, it is very carefully designed, the rebranding and redesigning of Goa IDC itself, and that in one, the logo is only one part of that. Thereafter we have design of regulations manual, which I will show you, design of open portal manuals for engineers, for architects as well as for employees, all collaterals that are required, whether it is designing the letterheads, whether it is designing the files differently to create a altogether new image, whether ID cards, business cards, lanyards, envelopes, brochures, souvenirs as well. And it is not that it has happened overnight, and it's not that one logo has been presented. Total misinformation, total misguiding of people in industry and otherwise. Oh, you have spent so much on a website. It is not a website, first of all, just one page thing and all information is there, you just put it on the net. It's not that way. It is a digital governance platform for providing all services to the industries with automation of core processes. Total industries using this is 2,500. What is the difference between a website and a portal? Website gives you information, you read it. A portal is delivers services. You have then details of procurement and costing, which they are alleging some 19 crore. I don't know from where they got the figure, but I am giving you the breakup. Core technology modules, free of cost, no license fee on any software. This is like a software which we ourselves have developed.
We say that we want to sell the corporation. I don't know what is the meaning of sell. I would request all these people who are saying that we want to sell, find one buyer and come to me. Identify one buyer, and if you got one buyer, let us see.
Bureau Report, Prudent.